everyone, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today we're going to be talking about the dreaded scoop in your golf swing, or more commonly known as the chicken wing. Why it happens and what mobility issues that can create and how we're going to fix it. Okay, so let's first talk about what type of golf shot it creates. So if you're somebody who doesn't take a divot with your irons because your angle of attack is very shallow and the club is rising up through impact, causing a chicken wing or a scoop action. Also, if you top your 3-wood or driver occasionally, this is a great video for you. So where does the scoop or chicken wing come from? The first thing that happens in the golf swing for it to break down to lead on to a scoop is if when you're at the top of your backswing and you're slightly casting the golf club on the way down, what will happen is the club head will get to a very shallow point in this part of the golf swing and lead to an upward angle of attack through impact. So what we really want to see is for you to hold the angle between the left arm and the shaft all the way through down to impact, and that's going to allow your arms to then extend. So the bad version of this would be a slight cast leading onto the scoop, and a better version would be to hold this angle all the way down through into impact, then release the golf club. Notice how that gets my arms out straight, and I will hit into the ground and take a divot. So it can not only be a breakdown in your golf swing, it can be a mobility issue in your body. So the first thing we look at for golf coaches if we see somebody who's got a really high left elbow after impact is this shoulder joint, can it get into a parallel position? We call this the 90-90 test. So get your arm, so your elbow is in line with your shoulder, into this 90-degree position. Then try and rotate your arm back to 90 degrees. If you can do this position, then you have passed the test, and there's no reason why you'll be in this position through and after impact. We really want that arm to fold and finish round. If this is a problem, you cannot get your arm into that position, say that's as far as you can go, then speak to your golf coach. He can advise on a physician or a physiotherapist that can help you really improve the mobility in that left shoulder to create the right impact and through impact position that we're looking for. So 2 quick drills you can do to help remove this breakdown in your golf swing is turn the golf club upside down, and what we're looking for is to hear the swooshing sound of the golf club after the golf ball. So it should look like that. So your swoosh of the sound of the golf club is after the golf ball. So that swoosh sound is here. If it's before the golf ball, that's when you're breaking down your technique, and that's when that swoosh happens here, and it's going to lead on to a scoop. So the second drill is to get yourself a towel and put it slightly behind the golf ball. First thing you're going to do is make some swings and try and strike after the towel. So a good swing, when you hold the left arm and shaft position all the way down into impact, you will strike after the towel, and that will lead on to a really nice extended post golf ball position. So it should look like, and if you do the casting action, and which leads on to our scoop, you will come down early, hit the towel, and it'll move forward. So hopefully now you have the knowledge to the reason why your scoop or cast and chicken wing happens. It's the breakdown in the left arm on the way down between the left arm and the shaft, which leads on to your scoop. And with those drills and the mobility problem fix, you can then improve your impact and post-impact into a much better position, which will help lower your scores, strike the ball better, and get you more consistent. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.